Hello everyone, welcome to Agriculture and GK YouTube channel. Myself Sandrala Gayatri. Today we will discuss ICAR JRF Horticulture Solved Question Paper which was conducted on 23rd September 2020. We are going to discuss 120 questions along with answer key. Friends, if you are new at this channel, kindly subscribe now. Let's get started. First question is flame of the forest is botanically known as Butea monosperma. Second question is of statements type question. First statement is Phyllodes and Vichusperm disease of cucurbits is caused by phytoplasma. Phyllodes is caused by phytoplasma but not Vichusperm disease of cucurbits. So this statement is false. And statement 2, this phytoplasma is transmitted by leaf hopper. No. So both statements are false. Next is Pusa Aditi is a newly developed variety of grapes. Andromonas sex form is found in which spice crop? It is of coriander. Next is hollyhock and sweet pea are suitable annuals for it is used for screening purpose. Next is the most common sex form of tapioca is of monoecious type. Next is tree banding is used for the control of Drosica mangifera. It is of millibug in mango. Next is multiple disease resistant variety of tomato is of Arkarakshak. Next is nutritional value of legume vegetables is reduced due to the presence of which of the following inhibitors? Due to presence of trypsin. Next is which of the following crop is most prone to red spider mite? That is carnation. Next is vascular arbuscular mycorrhiza they are of obligate symbionts. Next is zinc is responsible for the biosynthesis of which plant auxin? It is of IAA. Here it is of match the following type. For chrysanthemum it is of Dona, and for carnation is Arkag Agni, and for rose it is Birbal Sahani, and for marigold it is of Top Secret. These are of varieties. Next is also match the following type question. First one is berry elongation in grapes is due to onset of ripening. Berry elongation in grapes is due to GA3. Next is single sigmoid curve is due to Malus domestica. C. Induced rooting is of IBA. Variation stage in grape is of onset of ripening. So answer is fourth option. Next is which of the following is a winter annual? It is of snapdragon. Next is statement wise question. First statement is cytokinin promotes chloroplast development and chlorophyll synthesis. Yes. Next is cytokinin delays senescence of cut flowers. Yes. So both are true. Next is which crop does not have a chilling requirement for flowering? beet leaf is not having a chilling requirement for flavoring. Next one is TY1 gene conferring TYLCV resistance in tomato has been derived from Solanum chilensis. Next is Kashi Lalima is the latest variety of okra crop. Next is match the following type question. First is granulation in citrus crop, black tip in mango, fruit cracking in grapes, pink blush in tomato. Next is the export of which one of the following basmati rice varieties earns the highest share of foreign exchange of total rice exports. It is of Pusa 1121 variety. Next is which one of the following is a pre-emergence herbicides? That is atrazine and pendimethalin are of pre-emergence herbicides. Next is the botanical term of banana inflorescence is of thayers. Statement type question. First statement is leaf curl of tomato caused by TLCNDV is a serious disease of North India. Yes. It is a monopartite virus. No. So answer is statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is false. Next is also statement type question. First statement is the rice variety Prusa 1460 was developed by marker assisted selection. Yes, this is true. And next statement is the genes for bacterial blight resistance have been introgressed in Pusa Basmati 1. Yes, so both statements are true. Next is which of the following is salinity tolerant rootstock of mango? It is of Kurkan. Next is melting flesh peaches mesocarp undergoes softening at last stage of ripening. Next is coal crops are considered to have evolved from which of the following common ancestor? That is of Brassica oleracea variety sylvestris. Next is in which of the following temperate fruit crop the double growth curve is followed? It is in peach. Next question is Gulkand is prepared by mixing sugar and rose petals in the ratio of 1:1. Next is removal of field heat of flowers by keeping them at lower temperature is known as pre-cooling. Next is which of the following is foliage annual? It is of Kochia. Next is the preservation of cell, tissues and organs of a plant under ultra low temperature, that is minus 196 degrees Celsius, is called, it is of cryopreservation. Next is girdling is generally practiced in case of grapes. Next is the progenitor of cultivated cucumber is Cucumis sativus variety hardwicki. Next question is of match the following type. First one is diamond backmoth. It is of scientific name is Prutella xylostella. Clubroot, it is of Plasmodiophora brassicae. Aphids, it is of Myzus persica. And downy mildew, it is of Peronospora parasitica. Next is Rani Sahiba is a variety of rose crop. Next is woody or semi-woody perennial plants with little or no trunk are known as shrubs. Next is the PD1 gene from Allium rolli conferring resistance to downy mildew is located on chromosome 3. Next is coconut toddy is obtained by tapping the unopened spadix. Next is the symbol for the gene controlling bitter free cucumber. Fruits is of BI and BI. Next is the crop having largest area under genetically modified seeds in India is of tomato. Here they are asking genetically modified seeds, not crop. Next is match the following type question. First one is Pusa arunima. It is of Amrapali into sensation. Next is Ratna. It is of Neelam and Alfonso. Sindhu. Sindhu is of Ratna and Alfonso. Arka Punit is of Alfonso and Banganpalli. So answer is first option. Next is the most suitable vegetable to be grown in saline soils is of beet. Next is match the following type question. First one is Kaira disease of rice is due to zinc deficiency. Next is brown heart in radish. It is due to phosphorus deficiency. C is herringbone disease of tomato. It is due to chloride. Next is stem melanosis disease of wheat. It is due to copper. Next is Rashtrapati Bhavan garden was designed by Edwin Lutyens. Next is if crosses were made with 8 parents in the diallel mating system excluding reciprocals, what would be the total number of F1s? It is of 28 crosses. Next is match the following type question. First one is lycopene. Lycopene is present in watermelon and beta-cynine. Beta-cynine is present in beetroot and beta-carotene in carrot and capsanthin in chili. So answer is second option. Next is seed albumin gene AMA1 was cloned from Amaranthus hypochondriacus. Next is 2,4-dichlorophenoxyesteric acid, that is 2,4-D. It is a growth regulator and herbicide. Next is which one of the following is known as mood food? That is watermelon. Next is tulip bulbs must be stored or exposed to the following environmental condition for quality flower initiation. That is of 7 to 9 degrees Celsius for 6 to 8 weeks. Next is some of the important characteristics of predators are. See, first one is they feed on prey smaller than themselves. Yes. Ladybird beetles are not being used for managing mealybugs and scale insects. False. They are free living and require several preys to complete their Life cycles. Yes. They feed on prey bigger than themselves. No. So answer is A and C only. Next is of statement type question. First statement is tuberose is susceptible to root knot nematode. Yes. Root knot nematode in tuberose can be minimized or controlled by crop rotation with marigold. Yes, both statements are true. Next is 1-year-old apple trees consisting of a single stem are known as whip. Next is the first bispecific origin of banana was suggested by Coutts. Next is the stage of inflorescence emergence in pineapple is of red heart stage. Next is of statement type question. First statement is Rangapur lime citrus limonia is considered as most suitable rootstock for Nagpur mandarin. Yes. Next is this rootstock does not have resistance to gummosis and root rot. It will have. So answer is first statement is true and second statement is false. So answer is third option. Next is Directorate of Floricultural Research is located at Pune. Next is when female papaya plant is intercrossed with hermaphrodite, the ratio of female and hermaphrodite in progeny will be 1:1 ratio. Next is which one of the following wild relatives of tomato is the most important donor for drought resistance? It is of Solanum pennelli. Next is mango is subjected to hot water treatment before export to manage. It is due to fruit fly. Next is match the following type question. First one A is monoecious. Monoecious is pumpkin. And dioecious is pointed gourd. Gynoecious is cucumber. And hermaphrodite is ridge gourd, Sathputia. Next is which of the following is most commonly used rooting hormone? That is of IBA. Next is which of the following states is the largest producer of annual flower seeds? It is of Punjab. Next is gradual loss of variability from germplasm of a crop is known as genetic erosion. Next is seed crops of coriander should be harvested when 50% turn yellow. Next is which of the following are informal style gardens? English and Japanese. These are of informal style gardens. And Persian and Mughal are formal type gardens. Next is the optimum average daily temperature for wheat sowing is of 22 to 23 degrees Celsius. Which of the following hedges is most suitable for landscaping in the arid region? It is of Lawsonia inermis. Next is maturation of male and female reproductive organs of a bisexual flower at different times is known as dichogamy. Next is which of the following is propagated by suckers? It is chrysanthemum is propagated by suckers. Next is you want to cultivate onion in North India, whose harvest should coincide with a higher price in November to December. Then which onion variety will you choose to grow? It is of Agri Found dark red variety. Suppressed climatic fruit is related to plum. Next is ZW20, which express the coat protein gene is a transgenic line of summer squash. Next is match the following type question. First, bitter pit. Bitter pit is due to calcium. Little leaf. Little leaf is due to zinc deficiency. Fruit cracking is due to boron. And next is marginal burning of leaf is due to potassium. So answer is second option. Application of remote sensing and GIS based technologies are essential for precision farming. Next is which one of the following is a colored seeded variety of grape? It is of Bangalore blue. In which system of training trees are trained to form a V shape? It is of Tatura trellis. Next is statement type question. First statement is a guava wilt resistant rootstock have been developed by crossing Psidium mole and Psidium gujava. Yes. Next is root knot nematodes has become a serious threat to guava as it causes a reduction in plant vigor and wilting of leaves. Yes, both statements are true. The most commercially viable technique for propagation of cashew nut is softwood grafting. Next is citrus rootstock susceptible to Phytophthora and Tristeza are Elimo and rough lemon. Next is Solosodine is present in brinjal crop. Next is in epocatile grafting of mango, coalescing stage for a graft union extends from 10 to 30 days. Next is which one of the following is an attached method of grafting? It is of inarching. Next is which Vitis species does not have tendrils opposite to third leaf, that is of Vitis vinifera. Which is considered as calcifuge crop? It is of banana. Next is match the following type question. First one is cut spray type, that is of Birbal Sahani. Cut standard type. Cut standard type is of Snowball. Next is garland purpose type. It is of Ravi Kiran variety. And next is pot moms type. It is of Pusa Sona. These are varieties of rose varieties. Next is which one of the following fruits has the highest total soluble solids? It is of bale. Next is which of the following is a temperate orchid? It is of Cymbidium. Next is the local Indian traditional drink kanji is, it is a fermented spiced beverage made from the juice of black carrots. Next is of statements type question. First statement is pineapple is separated from other genera of family Bromeliaceae on the basis of the syncarpous type of fruit. Yes. Next statement is its juice contains a very low amount of digestive enzyme bromelain. No. So answer is statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Next is which of the following is warm season turf grass? It is of zoacia. Statement wise question. First statement is scald is a storage disorder of apple which usually affects the skin only. Yes, it will affect only skin. Next statement is it can be identified by brownish streaks radiating into flesh from the core. Yes, both statements are true. Next question is which among the following is the richest source of carbohydrates? It is date palm. Next is the number of genotypes in a F2 population of digenic cross would be, it is of 9. Next is which was the first hybrid tea rose developed in the world? It is of La France. In stone fruit, the period of suspended growth coincides with pith hardening. Next is apple cultivar having triploid chromosomes are, it is of Grevenstein and Jonah Gold. Next is pithiness is the physiological disorders of which one of the following vegetables? It is of radish crop. Next is fenugreek seeds contain diogenin. Next is the ability of a plant cell to regenerate is known as totipotency. Next is the ancestor of cultivated sweet potato is Ipomea trifida. Next is sauerkraut is prepared from cabbage. Which of the following chemicals is used for doubling of chromosomes? For doubling of chromosomes we will use colchicine. Next is which direction should be preferred for the planting of windbreak to protect orchards from strong winds? It is of northeast direction. MDU1 is a variety of chili developed through mutation breeding. Next is the permitted sulfur dioxide limit for sweetness in ready to serve beverage is 70 ppm. Next is statement wise question. First statement is Ganesha's line of bitter gourd has developed in India. Yes, it is true. And second statement is hybrids developed by use of Ganesha's line will have predominantly Ganesha's sex form. Yes. So both statements are true. Next is grafting in vegetable crops is useful for managing fusarium wilt. Next is of match the following type question. First one is scab resistance. It is of Shalimar apple 1. Dwarfing rootstock. It is M9. Low chilling Anna variety. And woolly apple aphid resistance is Maton 793. Next question is bending is a specific technique being practiced in it is practiced in rose crop. Next is statement wise question. First statement is whiptail is a physiological disorder of cole crops caused by a deficiency of molybdenum. Yes, it is true. Second statement is it occurs frequently in saline and alkaline soils. No, it is false. So statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Next is the parentage of muskmelon cultivar Punjab hybrid is MS1 cross and Harab Madhu. Next is the most common method of propagation for falsa is seeds. Next is which one of the following is a high yielding variety of black pepper? It is Streakera variety. Next is National Botanical Research Institute is located at Lucknow. Match the following type question. Next is first one is Gladiolus. Gladiolus is family is Iridiaceae. Marigold Asteraceae. Tuberose Asparagaceae. Carnation Caryophyllaceae. So answer is fourth option. Next is at 3.5 meters into 3.5 meters spacing, the number of plants per hectare in hexagonal system is 380 plants. Next is maintenance of gynoecious muskmelon line can be done by the application of MCEB. Thank you for watching. If you are having any queries regarding this question paper, kindly comment below. If you like this video, it is useful for you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.